What's up, jet ski fans? Welcome to another Joel Arsenault YouTube video. Thanks for hanging out with me here. I do appreciate it. In some upcoming videos, we will be diving into some projects and random nonsense with the Jet Ski Brothers. But in today's video, we're gonna go out and ride, have some good times with some good friends. Of course, there will be some jet ski drama because, well, jet skis. Let's get into it.
Now we can't scratch the bottom.
Absolutely no scratching will happen.
It's never been scratched.
Are you going to the track? Go to the track. Track's pretty sweet, eh?
I'm like, you want this? Yeah. Is this okay? That's fine. I'm not sure. Okay. Are you the safest driver ever?
Truly upset and offended that you guys did not tell me I was gonna get wet.
That is sad. That is sad. I object.
Yeah, we didn't know. You didn't know good enough.
Nobody told me.
Oh, I'm gonna put on, now we're gonna put warning stickers on all our
Yeah, warning.
And the video.
because we got sued by this one guy.
You go first, and that way I'll have a hope of chasing you down.
Not on me.
I see that. I hope I got that recorded. I saw it, but yeah.
I did this earlier and I still couldn't make the corner, but the water was this high, so it didn't really matter.
Oh yeah.
And this time I was like, oh, that's how wide I did it last time. I see what's gonna happen. Go hard. I wonder if I drafted it.
Go hard and go home. The technique is unreal.
Yeah, well, I just need to butt wreck a little more and have that corner. You could barely hang with me on this thing. All right, do you still want me in front or do you want him in front?
I'll go in front.
Okay.
And try not to run me over.
You can just go. Jacob will catch us.
Yeah. Come on, baby. All right, we'll do one more lap and then head back.
Yeah.
All right. I think maybe I run out of fuel. It just shut off on me twice.
Okay.
Yeah, it shut off and then fired up right away pretty much, but...
That's the pipe hot?
Primer's on there.
Yeah. Looks like they're on.
Yeah. A little bit of water in there.
That's like a good sizzler. This pipe's a sizzler.
Yeah.
You can cook on there.
Oh, this is some stuff burning up.
Ooh.
That's wires.
It doesn't look like they're through anywhere.
Doesn't?
I think we might have got lucky.
It might have burnt through here because there's another one. Yep. Because it definitely seems like electrical. I was hoping it was fuel, but... Don't sound like she got fire.
It would always, of course, end this way.
You know what did it?
Huh.
I shouldn't have said one more lap.
Oh, yeah. True. That's true.
I should not have said one more lap and then we'll go. We should have just did one more lap. Because as soon as you say...
One more.
As soon as you say one more lap, something's either going to break or somebody's going to get hurt.
Well, I remember breaking my pelvis and my back after saying one more lap, so...
Yeah. That must be motocross stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't like start working weird or lose power. It just, boom, kill switch. I'll bring a plug wrench just so you can check the fire, but a rope and a better towing ski. All the way back. Poor Jacob. Bonk.
Why is it that the jet ski won't start? Are we just gonna tow it, or are we gonna look at it?
Let's have a little quick look, but I brought a plug wrench. Take a look at the... I brought a rope, yeah. I wasn't that confident. I wasn't that optimistic, I should
look
say.
at the plugs. I think that it'll be solved. So,
Look, done.
plug wrench is basically a rope.
If you want to cook your eggs, put them on this pipe. Oh, look at that one champion, eh?
It's actually an NGK, but this one's more rich than this one.
Oh yeah.
But there's still
a lot
bit
of
the-
times these the red ones make it a bit more rich.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Red is rich. It's a communist thing.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
that's rich
so
as well.
Weird that
And we want
communism makes you rich.
Yeah, it's a fact. You want to check the fire? See if it's
firing.
see if it's sparking.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Do you want to drop one of those plugs in the water?
Yeah, that would be.
Sure do.
I mean, kind of doesn't matter because I'm pretty sure we're getting towed in. But... Nothing. Oh, nothing. Not even a bit.
Well,
That's your answer.
that's really good. Yeah, Joel will fix it for us.
I think it'll be pretty easy to. She's ripping on that thing. It's just ball. Oh, we should just put it on that and like
Yeah, just put it on top.
carry it back. Yeah, it'll probably fit in the right footwell.
Yeah.
Yeehaw! She's getting shallow.
Well, thanks for the tow, Joel.
No problem. It worked good for like a day and a half, Jacob.
Yeah, man. It worked really good for like
Really good
an
for like
hour.
one night.
Yeah.
At least you know when it's sorted out, you have a good ski and not a turd.
Yeah, that's true.
Because sometimes you're fixing stuff that's acting like this, and you're not sure if when you're done you'll have a complete turd.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, sometimes you take like months and put like a DASA engine in like a bullet hull,
Oh yeah.
and you like cut stuff up and you like do a whole bunch of fabrication, you travel
Well,
around other people's
I will
houses.
tell you, it was fast.
Yeah.
It was a good motor, I gotta say.
Yeah.
Gosh, the DASA blowing up really did suck. Gosh.
So this is nothing.
Yeah, this is nothing.
Just need to start recording so that I can forget recording while we go eat.
That would be an extremely good thing to do.
Yeah, record a shot of absolutely nothing. Wow, a jet ski adventure that ended with a broken jet ski? Who would have guessed that? We will tear into Jacob's Superjet and find out what is wrong with it in an upcoming video, but that is going to do it for now. A huge thanks to Daniel West for being my latest Patreon supporter. Thank you, Daniel. I do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in supporting me on Patreon, there is a link in the description below, as well as a link to my Teespring and to my second YouTube channel. If you liked what you saw, remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more of this nonsense, and also remember to go subscribe to the Jet Ski Brothers. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Oh, I brought you, forgot Jason was there and threw the whole thing off, but just in case you were starving, I brought you Triscuits. Yeah, no graham cracker.
I like that.
Rations.
Well, I will say that I couldn't really eat them conveniently because I'd have to take my Invisalign out.
Oh.
And that would be annoying right now.